This is chapter 8 and it's called Farming, Fishing and Hunting. Well, what's that got to do with screen dancing? Well, it's got everything to do with screen dance. You need to understand the various strategies that you can use to film screen dance and the impact that that has on the feel of your film. So I'm going to take you through some of those kind of strategies, and you can have them. You can have the discussions within your team about what way suits your process best. It's I think the main thing from my perspective is so that you understand what impact each of those elements has, and then make those choices yourself. So it's about choreographing a process, of course, and being clear about what approach to take. And all of this is going to really help you in your editing process when you finally sort of come to that point. Okay, so as always, there's text, there's exercises. Go for it.